Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant and has a thick atmosphere. Its atmosphere is composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. So what if Jupiter collided with the Earth? If Jupiter collided with Earth, it would likely be a catastrophic event for life on Earth. Jupiter is much larger and more massive than Earth, and the impact would release a tremendous amount of energy, causing massive fires and tsunamis, and potentially even destroying the planet. The collision would also likely send debris hurtling into space, potentially striking other planets and moons in the solar system. It is important to note that the likelihood of such an event occurring is extremely low, as the orbits of the planets are stable and the likelihood of a collision is close to zero.